Welcome to English with Confidence. Learn English, practice every day, and speak with confidence. Let's get started.
Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are so happy to see you today.
Hello everyone, thank you for joining us. We hope you are having a wonderful day.
Today's lesson is very useful. We will learn travel English in 10 real-life situations.
Yes, we will practice English for a taxi, a hotel, a restaurant, asking for directions, emergencies, and more.
Everything is easy to understand because this lesson is for beginners.
Before we begin, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment. Tell us, which country are you watching from?
Great. Let's get started.
Imagine you are traveling to another country. You arrive at the airport. Now you need a taxi.
Let's listen to the conversation.
Hello? Are you a taxi driver?
Yes, I am. Where would you like to go?
I would like to go to my hotel, please.
Sure. What is the name of your hotel?
The Green Park Hotel?
No problem. Please get in.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
How long will it take?
About 20 minutes.
How much is the fare?
It is $20.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, you can.
Great. Thank you very much.
My pleasure.
Now it's your turn.
Repeat after me.
I would like to go to my hotel.
Excellent.
How much is the fare?
Very good.
Can I pay by card?
Perfect.
Now say all 3 sentences by yourself.
Wonderful. You're doing great.
Quick question.
If you need a taxi, what would you say?
Pause the video and answer aloud.
Nice job.
Let's learn 2 useful words.
Fare.
Fare means the money you pay for a taxi.
Card.
Card means a credit card or a debit card.
Excellent. Let's move to situation 2.
You arrive at your hotel.
Good evening. Welcome to our hotel.
Good evening. I have a reservation. May I have your name, please?
My name is David Brown.
Thank you. Let me check.
Sure.
Yes, we have your reservation.
Great. May I see your passport?
Of course. Here it is.
Thank you.
What time is breakfast?
Breakfast starts at 7 o'clock.
What is the Wi-Fi password?
It is written on your room card.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your stay.
Now let's practice.
Repeat after me.
I have a reservation.
Excellent.
May I see your passport?
Very good.
What time is breakfast?
Perfect.
Now answer this question.
If the receptionist asks, "May I have your name?" what would you say?
Pause the video and answer.
Great job.
Let's continue with situation 3.
You are hungry, so you go to a restaurant.
Good afternoon. Table for 1, please.
Certainly. This way, please.
Thank you.
Here is the menu.
Thank you.
Are you ready to order?
Yes, I am.
What would you like?
I would like a chicken sandwich and a glass of water.
Anything else?
No, thank you.
Your food will be ready soon.
Thank you.
Enjoy your meal.
Now repeat after me.
I would like a chicken sandwich.
Excellent.
A glass of water, please.
Very good.
Anything else?
No, thank you.
Fantastic.
Quick quiz.
How do you ask for the menu?
Pause the video and answer.
Excellent work.
Keep practicing every day. Small practice brings big improvement.
Don't worry about mistakes. Every mistake helps you learn.
If you enjoyed today's lesson, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell.
Before you go, answer this question in the comments.
Which country would you like to visit and why?
Thank you so much for learning English with us today.
Take care, keep practicing, and we'll see you in the next lesson.
Goodbye.
See you next time. Happy learning.
Thanks for watching English with Confidence. Please like and subscribe.